2, 3, 4. I don't wanna go to school tomorrow. I can study thinking about you, and you know I always do. I don't wanna go to sleep tonight when I can stay up thinking about you, and you know I always do. Marlboro nights. Marlboro nights. Said you would.
Hindi nagpapanggap na kami pick 1, pick 2, pick 3, pick 4.
Saan?
Muntik ko maging kwento.
I don't wanna go to school tomorrow. I'm too tired.
Magiging sarap po.
Nakita mo ba yung itinerary? Binasa ko yung itinerary, parang haba.
Hindi mo sinend sa akin, Christian.
Akin na beses. Bago pa lang yung cellphone ng
Ay,
friend natin.
nag-upgrade
Oh my God! Say hi!
Hi, this is us after and before.
Before.
Hi.
Before the hike.
Sobrang ingay nga niya.
Talaga yung kapit ko, ganyan tayo. Walang nabilig pa lang. Mga diesel. Oo. Pick one.
Where are we?
Pick 1 pa lang pero parang pang pick 5 na yung pagod.
Diretso river na tayo, kuya.
Hindi patag na ba yan?
Kuya, pwede ba paki-straight na lang yung daan?
Patagibig pala. Ba't yung diretso na tayo dyan?
Pwede naman. May zipline ba pababa, kuya?
Yung ko lang mag-flip doon.
Yun. So, after peak 1, nag-stop kami agad.
Layo na pero malapit. Layo pa. Ay, malapit rin.
Say hi. How was the feeling?
Okay pa rin.
Parang hindi lang nanginginig yung tuhod ah.
Ito yung tuhod ko naging buntot na.
Ba't buntot daw?
Parang didikit na siya. Didikit.
Ay, ang dilim. Ayan, kita. Perfect.
Signage pa lang.
Ayan. Hey. Ay, ba't may nagre-relapse na ang aga-aga.
Why not try it?
Saan, Bes?
Ay, Nimbus. Press 1 if Nimbus. Press 2 if Columbus. Sige.
Oh, press 1. Ano?
Narrow eye niya lang. Very worth it. 5 star. I-rate ko siya ng 5 star.
Kaya nga. Tumayo ka dyan.
Ano po yung masasabi niyo sa Mount Maricar?
What?
What?
In Spanish, please.
Anong language niyong ginagamit?
Kumakain niya lang.
Ah, Diyos ko, day.
Uy, ang ganda. Nung summit.
Dito na, guys.
Hey, I'm so proud of Chris dyan.
1 meal a day
1 meal a day
and no exercise.
equals doctors every day.
Home girly. 1 meal a day. Easy. Pick 3 na ba?
No, wala ka pa nga sa peak 2 eh. What can you say, Binarm?
What can you say?
So good, right? Guys, from a professional hiker, from the perspective of a professional hiker. Ganda, no? My goodness. Yes, if you can see, yung place na maraming tao, we went there 3 minutes ago. Wow!
Taas mo na eh. Ganito pala sumaksis.
Ano, ulitin mo yan.
Dito pala sumaksis.
Ganito sa Maxes.
This is you. Wala pang pick 2.
Oh no! Tikto pa lang tayo.
Hi guys, this is Big One.
Hi guys, this is Big One. Oh, dito. Hi guys, this is Big 2. Hi guys, this is Big 3. Mamaya na yung 4 and 5.
5 star. I-rate ko siya ng 5 star. Oh, dito sa mo tayo. Hindi nagpapanggap na kaming pick 1, pick 2, pick 3, pick 4.
Saan
Parang hindi
na?
namin magpapanggap mamaya.
Tayo mali. Pick 2.
Tayo pick 2, pick 4 na tayo, di ba?
Hindi te, you know.
Ayun lang. Pick 2 pa lang.
Ganda. We have no choice but to continue with this chaotic decision.
Dito. You know.
Ano yung message? No depressed.
Mababasa sa akin yung malungkot na nasa
Ikaw din naman nag-organize dito eh. Ay, wala kami. Hindi kami nag-oo. Nalaman na lang. Nalaman na lang namin naka-down.
Parang nagkikwentuhan ba din?
Parang mali yung
Lakad ka. Pataas. Yan. Para may shot ka nila.
Oo, talaga?
Ano?
Picture. Panggap na lahat ng camera guys.
Yup. Lino. Yun.
Thank you daw.
Okay na yan. Okay na. Oo, video na. Game.
Sikat drone.
Human drone.
What pig is this? 4 pigs, 1 word. Deal or no deal?
Wala na ano po.
Kuya, niloloko mo kami. Kuya, fulfilling ba na kunyari katulad kami? First time namin mag-hike. O ako first time. Hindi, halos lahat naman kami first time. Fulfilling ba na nadadala mo yung tao sa mga lugar na ganito? Ang OA ah. Ah, follow. Ano yung account mo?
Ano?
O, di ba nagpapa-promote ka, mas sikat ka pa.
Alam mo kasi makatawa.
Ganda. Ganda. Ayan, ganyan.
Saan na sila? Hintayin na natin. Tan-tanan. Tanananan. Tan-tanan. Tanananan. Wow!
Nakagalit.
Hindi mo mag-Taiwan ka. Gastos mo.
Ang gastos ko.
plane na to? Plane na to. Ang gagawin ko. Eh, uy, ang ganda. Ganda, sir. Oh, muntik ko maging kwento.
Uy, Coronel. We're already
At the top of the world.
at the bottom. Ito pa bottom.
Mamaya kailangan ng take your speed.
Oh, gayahin nyo yung mga kaibigan namin. Hindi pa sure yung ilan nakapag-down na.
Throwing petals like, do you love me at night?
Oo, nakabook na.
And don't know when to stop.
And we're
So
here.
forever, babe, did you mean it tonight? Hold on, hold on.
How's the feeling?
Yeah, babe, but I still get the
Chris,
10 out of
instead of
Wow.
hindi na babalik.
Pinababalik. Alam mo na yung rating na yun.
How about Sam?
now.
Sam fresh pa rin, no? Tingnan yung sinando. Ay! Gusto ng manakit. Just i-promote mo yung ano mo, ating
think I'd rather you in my bed.
hindi nga kita kilala. Ang alam ko, 24 years old.
Days till I can see you again. Oh, kisses like we
Yes.
did tonight.
Yun lang. Sa dinami-dami ng mga tarpaulin dyan, wala man lang kahit isa. Feeling ko bogus to eh.
Wanna be friends, just in the skin. I wanna get closer. The way you got me all in my head.
Go back.
Wala na kaming dapat na
In
punayan.
my bed. Whatever it is, you know I can take it. Counting the days, how many days till I can see you again.
Okay ka na dyan. Oh, diba? Oh, may maayos, may maayos. May maayos ba? Ano? Pangilang height na ba? First time. Beginner. Congrats.
namin Kuya Mount Apo. Charot!
Mount Everest. Mount Everest naman.
Whatever it is, you know I can take it. Counting the days, how many days till I can see you again.
Kuya, kuya.
Kaya...
Kuya, thank you kuya.
Salamat po. Thank you po.
Throwing petals like, do you love me at night? Head is spinning and it don't know when to stop. She's say forever, babe, did you mean it or not? Hold on, hold on.
Talaga?
Give me a red, babe, but I still get the mix.
Here at
Instead of
Zambales.
three dots,
Oh my God, Liliwa, ang ganda mo.
right, babe, you know I respect.
Daming tao.
If you need time, just take your time. Honey, I get it, I get it, I get it. Way you got me all in my head. Think I'd rather you in my bed. Whatever it is, you know I can take it. Counting the days.
Isa, ba't ang dami mong dalang yelo? Lambanog. Yelo kayo dyan.
Pwede na yung isang case.
Isang case ng Allen.
The way you got me all in my head. Think I'd rather you in my bed. Whatever it is, you know I can take it. I'm counting the days, how many days till I can see you again.
Ang ganda ng mata mo ah.
Throwing petals like, do you love me or not?
Sabihin mo na to.
Head is spinning in
She's prepared. Mamaya may palikod yan. Ayan. Ah, di ba?
Hold on, hold on.
Ayan.
Give me a red, babe, but I still get the mix.
Then,
Instead of it's three dots, but I can connect them. If it ain't right, babe, you know I respect. If you need time, just take your time.
ay, ang ganda, dear.
Way you got me all in my head. Think I'd rather you in my bed. Whatever it is, you know I can take it. I'm counting the days, how many days till I can see you again. Blowing kisses like, will you catch 'em at night? I'm Cupid with arrows, babe, I'm just shooting my shot.